This is a 13 on your side weather update.
We have to give you another look outside.
This is Grand Haven. Look
live
at this.
right now.
Gorgeous.
This is where Michael Behrens is. The waves coming up over the edge. Oh, gosh, to be out there right now.
But it's all going to change. Chief Meteorologist George Lessons out on the weather deck. George, I don't even know where my gloves are yet.
Gonna have to find them. You might even have to find your snow brush eventually.
Oh, no.
Not this weekend, though, unless you are in a few spots along the lake shore. Wow, what a great day to be out here on the weather deck as the sun is setting now. 13 weather ball tonight is blue. We've got colder weather in view on your Friday as temperatures tumble all day long. And this view sponsored by Tullymore Golf Resort. Temperatures right now slipping back after some near record highs and in some cases record highs here in west Michigan. We're now in the upper 60s to low 70s. That'll be the last of those probably for the rest of the year. You can see temperatures are going down for the next 24 hours, getting down to around 50 at daybreak tomorrow, dropping to about 40 by this time tomorrow evening. But no precipitation here in the next day or two. We're looking at a few high clouds coming in from the west, as Michael was talking about. Those are out ahead of a cold front, which is pushing rapidly across the upper Midwest. Right now, all of the snow associated with this is heading on up into Canada, will not be affecting us. This cold front will come through dry. It'll just turn our winds around to the northwest and bring in some much colder air. Look at 70s out ahead of it, 20s, 30s, and 40s behind it, and we'll be in the 30s to around 40 all weekend long. Number of winter weather alerts up here in North Dakota and Minnesota. We may start to see some of that winter weather later on this season. Here's the storm system coming through. This is tomorrow morning at 7 a.m. That front will come through dry with some late day clearing after some clouds roll in. And then the lake effect rain showers start on a Friday night, transitioning to snow showers on Saturday. They'll continue Saturday night, and that's when most of the accumulation will occur. And then they'll wind down, especially inland, on Sunday. In terms of snowfall, this is where it will be tonight, but over the weekend, here comes that snow from Holland southward right along the lakeshore will be the heavier amounts, and Oceana County northward up along the lakeshore. Long range outlook says we will continue to be colder than average from the 16th through the 20th of the month, and a higher chance that we'll see less system snow coming through the region. So tonight we're looking at skies becoming mostly cloudy, mid and upper 40s to near 50. Those will be tomorrow's highs as well. Similar up north, overnight lows around 49 to 50. And here in the greater Grand Rapids area, overnight lows will also be tomorrow highs right around 50. 13 on your side forecast. Cloudy skies on Monday, some light snow developing Tuesday, and then some lake effect snow showers all the way through next Friday with more accumulation and a chilly weather pattern continuing the following weekend. Beautiful, a rare day here in November, sunshine and 70s, in some cases breaking record highs. Colder weather ahead, 13 weather ball is blue, and this view sponsored by Tullymore Golf Resort. Look at these highs today. Low and mid 70s, including record highs in a number of locations. Our average high is 50. We missed by 4 on our temperature today. We'll try to get back on track here tomorrow. And we broke a record in Grand Rapids. It was the warmest so late in the season for Grand Rapids and Kalamazoo, which tied the record. Not quite a record in Muskegon, also setting a record with 75 in Holland. All of those only 2 years ago. We're 10 degrees warmer than average, but we'll see that number erode the rest of the month. About an inch below average for precipitation. No measurable snow this month, and we're about 28% more sunshine than usual. If you look off to the east after about 8 o'clock, you're going to see the just past full moon, very close to Mars, which will be just above the horizon, and off to its upper right there, you'll see a Jupiter. Those will be the brightest 3 objects in the sky. We've got clear skies over much of West Michigan this evening. Got a cold front approaching that's going to bring lots of clouds to the region, but late in the day we'll clear things out, but no precipitation here during the day tomorrow. As the cold air arrives, though, tomorrow night we'll have lake effect rain showers changing to snow showers on Saturday, and that will continue into Saturday night, Sunday morning, and then they'll diminish in the inland areas on Sunday. So a taste of winter coming on up. The models are showing most of the snow. This is the American model showing most of the snow hugging the lake shore, 1 to 2 inch amounts there. European model has very much the same amounts. Highest amounts are with our graph model. Some spots up in Oceana County and south of Holland could see up to 2 2 to 3 inches of snow. Some of that will be melting, of course, as ground temperatures are still right around that 50-degree mark. Forecast for tomorrow, though, it will be cloudy to start our day with some late day clearing. Temperatures will fall to these readings by 5 o'clock. That will be our target tomorrow. Upper 30s to around 40. Upper 30s up north as temperatures fall to these readings by 5 o'clock. And similarly here in the greater Grand Rapids area, temperatures falling all day long with that northwest wind down to around 40 to 42. 13 on your side forecast. Lake effect rain and snow showers on Saturday and Sunday. Dry on Monday with highs around 40, 10 degrees below our average high of 50. We'll stay in the 30s the rest of next week and next weekend, and there'll be snow with some accumulations Tuesday through Friday.